Hello! In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to publish a website using GoDaddy. So, when you log into your GoDaddy account and go to our website builder, you will go to the site that you prefer. So, we want today to publish our website. Of course, the easy way, we just click here the publish button right on the top. After we edit it and put our website how we want it to, we just click publish and we go here, choose where to publish. Of course, we can publish it on the domain that we are working on, the domain that we bought on GoDaddy. We can get a new domain when you click it, and we will click continue and go to the shop to buy a new domain, or we can use a free GoDaddy URL. We can just click save and publish and the site will be published. Of course, for example, I want it to be published on my URL that I bought, thegtutorials.com, and I just click save and publish and it will be published. So guys, that is how you publish it, and of course you can just check it if it's published by your settings tab when you click it, and you can go to your buy my domain and see published and how it is. You can, of course, we can see the check mark that it's published, and we can unpublish it and of course manage it and do everything that we want it to. So guys, this is how you publish a website using GoDaddy. I hope this tutorial was quick and easy to remember and it was helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you need anything other, you can just ask us in the comments or visit our channel down below for any other tutorials. And I hope you have a very great day and see you in the next one. Bye!